You went home to find a life partner, but you were scammed. A lot of people have been scammed. They went to their home country because they live abroad, but they got tired. Dating fatigue set in. Then you said, you know what, let me go to my home country, find somebody. So you went home to your country, find a life partner, but you were scammed. Whether the person love you for you or they love you because they want to travel abroad was a whole another situation. Whether truly the person was married or the person was not married, that's a whole another situation. Whether the person has somebody engaged to somebody or not engaged is a whole another situation you did not know. The motives of the person you may never know. Now, going to your home country to find a life partner works. Some people have had great success. It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. It happens, it works. However, there are dangers in that. You may never know the motive of the person that you are dealing with going to your home country. You may never know the motive of the person that you are dealing with. And people have ended up, it has costed some people a great deal of money. You know, even filing for the people that come, they come here and many things happen. A lot of things happen. So when you decide to go to your home country to get married, what do you look for? What do you do? How do you do this right? How do you determine if the person is real or not real? How do you find out? Is prayer enough? What do you do? So I'm going to share with you top 3 things you must consider when you're going to your home country to find a life partner if you don't want to be scammed. If you don't want to be scammed in your home country, 3 things excuse me, you might consider. Number 1 is get to know the person's church, home church. Get to know the pastor. Find out from the person, hey, let me ask you, so where is your home church? You know, I want to know, where do you worship? Who is? So that's the first question. Home church. Find out the church. Go online, look at the church, look at where the church is, look at what they do, look at the doctrine, look at the preaching, the worship. Get to know that. You know, go online, Google it, find out about the church. Number 2 is to really find out who the person's pastor is. It doesn't hurt to talk to the pastor about this issue. Tell this guy or this girl that, hey, I want to talk to your pastor. They may say, well, you don't trust me, you don't do this. No, it's okay. You know, I'm learning about you, and it's okay. I don't know you. And I'll not be offended if you need to talk to my pastor. Wherever I am, I'll be okay. In other words, each one of you talk to their pastor. Maybe it's a bad advice, but I'm telling you, if you are going to marry from somewhere you don't know about, you may marry a ghost. That's just to say you may marry a stranger. Okay? So talk to somebody who know the person. So the church, the pastor, also find out family members. Not 1, not 2, not 3. Ensure that you know who the person's father is and the mother and where they live. And get to know people who know the family. Don't just get to know the family alone, but know people who know the family, because anybody can be their family members and you can be lied to. You don't want to be lied to. You don't want to be feel betrayed. So talk to people who know the family of the person you are considering to marry. These 3 things can really give you a good information about the person you are dealing with. By the time you talk with the pastor, you know the church, you know the family, and number 4, you know the people who know the family. You can have a sense of safety about what is happening. And number 5, engage a counselor. Because sometimes 2 eyes are not enough. You need someone that can take this journey with you. Because once you find a person and you are in love, it becomes very, very difficult. So get these 5 things on board if you need to go to your home country to find a spouse. It will bless you.